Good morning, good day everyone. Delayed na pala yung raffle sa birthday comments ni Boss Beam. 2 winners each premiere. So, part 1, may 46 entry tayo. Per comments yung entry. So marami comment ka, marami kang entry. And then sa part 2, 36 entry lang. So, ito yung part 1 raffle entry for the 6 comments. Sinulat ko yung mga nag-comment. Ilang beses ka rin may entry. Tapos, sa pangalan nyo, may number. So, number lang yung ira-raffle ko. Then, 2 winners sa part 1. And then, sa part 2, ganun din, 36 entry. May number din. So, ang gagawin ko, part 1 muna yung ira-raffle ko, 46. So, magkukuha ako ng number dito. Ito na lang muna gamitin ko hanggang 46 na entry. Lalagay natin. Sa number lang yung ira-raffle natin. Naka, hindi ko madampot. So, hanggang 46 lalagay ko. Lalagay natin yung 46 number. Maliliit na number. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Sa part 1 to na comment. 46 entry. Dalawa ang winner dito. Last number 46. At ang dalawang winner. I-shoot yan dito. Yan, may nakuha ng number. Nalaglag yan. First winner, number 12. Number 12. Kuya Willie Vlog. Number 1 winner. Pangalawa. Yan, mayroon na nakuha. Pangalawang winner. 26. Second winner, 26. Jane GV Vlogs. So first winner, Kuya Willie. Second winner is Jane G Vlog. Congratulations for the 2 winners. Congratulations, 2 winners for part 1 comments. Kuya Willie Vlog and Jane G Vlogs. Congratulations. Part Part 2 comments naman tayo. 36 entry lang. So, gawin natin dito. Gawin natin. Last number, 36. So, nandiyan na sa loob hanggang 36. Ang halog. Halo-halo. Sige. Part 2. Comments to winner. Let's get it. First one. Number 10. First winner. Part 2. Number 10. My channel Kadungog. First winner. Second winner. Second winner, 13. Yan, complete na ang winner natin. 13. Mommy D, you're a winner. First winner ng part 2 is my channel Kadungog. First winner ng part 2 comments. Second winner is Mommy D. Congratulations sa winner. May 500 chikas kayo. 2 winners part 1, 2 winners part 2. Repeat ko, sa part 1, ang winners ay si Kuya Willie Vlog, and Jen G Vlogs. And sa part 2 comments, winner is my channel Kadungog and Mommy D. Congratulations everyone. Pwede kayo kay Boss Bim or mag-usap kami ni Boss Bim kung pwede naman ako diretso mag-send ng Gcash. Message nyo ako or i-message ko kayo sa channel nyo. Thank you. Congratulations. And again, belated happy birthday, Boss Bim, and congratulations for a very successful birthday celebration. At sa mga nanalo, congratulations everyone. Madaling araw pa, kaya bumubulong-bulong pa lang ako, may natutulog pa. Bye!